Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials, your BotFather token and your Telegram account. Once ready, decide a compliant username, 5 to 32 characters, letters, numbers, or underscores. Include the word bot if you prefer clarity. Now open at BotFather, pick the bot, and issue the /setusername command followed by the new name. You will get immediate feedback from BotFather. If accepted, you've changed the public handle. Make sure to note the new me/your bot link for the next steps and for testing. Once BotFather confirms the username change, test the me/your bot link in Telegram and a browser to verify it resolves to your bot. Then update deep links that include start parameters, for example me/your bot, start equals payload, and replace old links in apps, chat widgets, and social posts. Make sure your integration endpoints reflect the new handle. While your token stays the same, any hard-coded URLs, webhook paths, or dashboard references must be updated. After changes, run a functional test of common flows to catch issues. You finish by thoroughly verifying behavior. Open a chat with the new link, send /start, test commands, buttons, and inline queries so everything routes correctly. Then update documentation, notify users and partners, and replace the old links across platforms. If something goes wrong, like the username is rejected, unavailable, or the me link still points to the old handle, first clear caches. Wait a few hours up to 24 hours for propagation, and if it persists, contact Telegram support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.